How to upload contacts on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the Facebook Messenger app in your phone. Now, this is the desktop of your Facebook Messenger. Click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option and you have to select here account center, and in this way you can see here your information and permission. Click on it. You can see before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see upload contacts here. If you want to upload your contacts on Facebook, then you have to select your Facebook, and if Messenger, click on messengers, and upload contacts you have to turn it on. When you have to turn it on, your all the phone contacts will be uploaded on messenger. If you turn it off, then that will not be uploaded on messenger. Thank you so much. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.